Welcome back to the She Speaks AI channel. Today we are going to demonstrate a quick and easy way to create TV art for your YouTube channel using Canva and AI-generated art. Grab your creative gear, and let's get started on this artistic adventure. Don't miss out on more incredible insights and techniques from the She Speaks AI channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the newest AI tools, passive income strategies, and products. Let's thrive together.
All right, so let's get into this. I'm going to show you how I create channel art for my YouTube channel in hopes that you would be able to do this as well. It's really simple. And the tools we are going to use today is Canva, that's your chief one, and we are going to use an text to art generator to generate the art. So the first thing you want to do is generate your art. So you can go to something like Chat GPT, and if you have the plus version, then you can create the Dolly art or art using Dolly. And so let's see here. So that's a coloring page art. I have quite a few art. I've been working on coloring books. So I'm trying to see what did I have here. So this is one that I recently created, but I'm not going to use that. I have been using also Copilot. Let me drag this over. And so I'm going to use this illustration for from Copilot that I have here. I've already downloaded it on my computer. So all you need is your AI generated art. Then you're going to come over to Canva, and then you're going to select create a design. And then we want to use the video size. Once we do the video size, we're going to simply upload the video or upload the image. So let me go ahead and upload that image that I got from Microsoft's Copilot, formerly known as Bing. Okay. And so I've got it here, and I love this picture. A lot of times we tend to do mothers. Mother's Day is coming up. We tend to do mothers and daughters a lot, but not a whole lot of mothers and sons. And so I love this here. So I am going to do that. All right, so this will now be my channel art. So now one of the other things, because right now it's only at 5 seconds. So if I play this, it's only going to play for 5 seconds, but that's not what we want. So we really want to stretch this out. And at the bottom here, you can stretch this out. Now you can do however long you want to do your channel art for. But for me, I like to do a minimum of 30 minutes. Now, I've done other type of music, picture, artwork. I have done that for an hour. It takes longer to download and things like that. So I find 30 minutes is a good length. Now, over here, I could also edit the timing, and I can just do 30.00. And now it is at no, that's 30 seconds. I don't want it at 30 seconds. I had to think about that for a minute there. So how many minutes or seconds? Let's see here. How long is 30 minutes? That's why I just drag it out because I don't know. That's 34, 40. Yeah, and then that 60 is one minute. So this is 1 minute. So now it's 1 minute and 22 seconds. I'm going to do 30 minutes. So that's how we do it. Had a brain fart there. Okay. So now it is at, actually, it won't, sorry, I forgot. It only goes up to 10 minutes, right? Per picture. So now if I want 30 minutes, I'm going to have to duplicate the art, and you see it changing up at the top. So now it is at 30 minutes. Now, the other thing that I want to do, because I don't like the hard cut into the next video, into the next image. And so what I like to do is right here or from one page to the other. So I don't like that hard. I like to be a smooth transition. So I'm going to add a transition and you can choose whichever transition you want to do. Now that's worse to me. That's so I like to do the match and move. I like to do match and move, and then I'm going to apply between the pages. So now when it comes to the end of that page, you could barely tell that it did it, right? The duration is 5 seconds. You could barely tell. I wonder if I didn't do it at all. Let's see. Some of them you need to do it and some of them you don't. But yeah, so that's another trick there. Now, you can do your wall art with no music, or you can do it with music. Now, I did a video on how you can get music that is AI generated. So go check that out. It's called through an app called Suno. So go check that out. So that's the music that I'm going to be using. So you can just leave it like this and then you can, title your art and then download it and then upload it to your YouTube channel or play it on your Facebook, whatever it is that you want to do there. Okay. For me, I am going to use the music that I have from uh, from Suno. So it's in my uploads. I'm going to go to audio, and it's this one, Midnight Serenade. Now, the only thing about this one is that it only lasts for a minute and 58 seconds. So I'll have to do the same process, which is duplicate, duplicate, duplicate until I get to the end. So, but that's it really. I will download this, give it a name. I'll download that, and I'll go to YouTube. And let me go to YouTube and show you my channel art. That's not my channel. It's my channel.
Welcome to
And so it's coming up, but this is one that will air tomorrow. So it hasn't gone up yet, but this is going to air tomorrow. And let's see if we can take a look at it. We can take a look at it. We just need to be in my account, manage videos. All right, so now I'm in my manage videos. These are all my videos, and let's just take a look at this one. Oh, it won't let me do it. It usually lets you play it. Let's see here, maybe because I have it on Premiere. Let's see if I can do this one. No, you on YouTube. That's going to be how it looks on YouTube. So anyway, now you can see the one I'm going to play. This one was I've called it Garden Grace Bohemian Elegance, and it's going to be on the Urban Art TV. So go and take a look at this video and give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. I thumbs up my own videos as well, but give me a thumbs up. Let me know if this is something that you can use on your channel. Listen, you can use this no matter what field you are in, because if you don't feel like generating content, this is always something that you can use. Let's say that you are some type of a coach. You can play this in the background. If you have an offline business, you can play this on a TV set in your office and have either music going or just have this as wall art. So anyway, I hope that sparkles some ideas for you on how you can use it and also gives you the way to do that. Let me know what questions you have in the comments. Until we meet again, be blessed, be fruitful, and multiply.